You need to try this ultimate smashed broccoli recipe. It's super healthy and a great alternative for crispy smashed potatoes. Start by thoroughly washing the broccoli. You need to get rid of all the dust and dirt trapped in it. Now get rid of all the excess water by tapping it off on your palm. Once the broccoli is properly washed, now it's time to chop it. You need to chop off only the broccoli florets. You can discard the broccoli stem because it's not needed in this recipe. So once the broccoli is chopped and all the broccoli florets are separated, now it's time to boil it. Here I am pouring pre-boiled water in a pan. I boil this in electric kettle to save a lot of cooking time and gas. Now transfer all the chopped broccoli in the pan to boil them. After 5 minutes or so, the broccoli will start tenderizing in the boiling water. Once you can easily pierce through the broccoli florets with a fork, it's time to take them out. If you're making it for the first time, then make sure you keep on checking it with a fork because we don't want a soft and mushy broccoli in the end. Now it's time to sieve all the water. Be careful while doing so to prevent any steam burns. Next, spread the boiled broccoli on a dry cloth. Pat dry it gently to get rid of excess water and heat. Now let them be on the same cloth for 10 to 15 minutes so that they can air dry properly. Now you have to lay the broccoli on a parchment paper. For the next step, you need a heavy bottom glass or mug. Start smashing the broccolis. Apply a bit of a pressure so that they can get as flat as possible. Once all the broccoli florets are properly flattened, it's time to do the pre-roast preps. Start by drizzling some olive oil on each one of them evenly. Next, you need to season them. You can use any spice mix of your choice. Here I have used salt, pepper, smoked paprika powder and a dash of chaat masala. Once all the smashed broccolis are properly seasoned, put them in an oven for 15 to 20 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. If you often roast your veggies, then you can use the setting that you personally prefer. After 15 to 20 minutes, your perfect smashed crispy broccoli is ready. It's a perfect snack to have when you're hungry and a great appetizer if you're hosting a party which your guests can enjoy guilt-free. Hope you liked this recipe, and for more such videos stay tuned and subscribe to our channel.